Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, maybe you or someone close to you just got laid off. First of all, I just want to say it's not your fault and you're not alone. You are going to be okay. Tech layoffs are brutal, very brutal, brutally, emotionally, financially, and mentally. But today, I'm going to walk you through 5 things you need to do immediately after getting laid off so you bounce back stronger and faster. So let's go. Step number 1. Don't panic. Take time to process. It's okay to feel angry, anxious, or even embarrassed. But don't make any big decisions in that emotional state. Take 24 to 48 hours to breathe, journal, cry, talk to someone, whatever helps you ground yourself. This clarity is a key before you start moving forward. And always remember, you are not a job title. This is just a chapter, not your whole story. Step number 2. Understand your exit package. This part is very critical. Review all the documents the company gave you carefully. What's your severance? Are you eligible for any unemployment or medical benefit? How long will your health insurance last? Is there any non-compete clause? And if you are unsure, you can talk to the HR or even consult a legal advisor outside your organization. Don't leave money or rights on the table just because you are emotionally drained. Step number 3. Update your resume and LinkedIn as soon as possible. Strike while the iron is warm. Strike while the iron is warm. Your achievements and projects are still fresh in your mind. So, update your resume, optimize your LinkedIn headline and summary, add open to work badge. You can ask colleagues or managers for LinkedIn recommendations also. This makes it easy for recruiters to find and trust you. And don't just write what you did, highlight the impact. Use numbers, show the results that you get. Step number 4. Start networking quietly but consistently. This is where 80% of new opportunities come from. Not from the job boards, not from the job portals, but from networking conversations. You can start by messaging your old ex-colleagues, mentors, friends that you have in other companies. Let them know you are exploring new roles, but keep it professional, not desperate. You can attend meetups, join a Slack group, LinkedIn communities, even your college's alumni groups as well. Every interaction is a potential opportunity. Step number 5. Upskill or pivot smartly. Now, it is a great time to reflect. Reflect what? Reflect, is this your chance to learn new technology like cloud? Switch from development to product. Finally, take that certification you were aiming for. You can short courses, boot camp, or you can join YouTube tutorials. Can keep your skills sharp and keep your mind engaged. Okay, let me add a bonus tip. Do not lie about your layoff. Always be honest in interviews. You can say something like, my role was impacted during a company-wide restructuring, but it gave me a space to refocus and grow. I'm not looking for a role where I can contribute immediately. Confidence plus clarity is greater than excuses. Remember, getting laid off isn't a red flag anymore. How you respond is what matters. Alright, those were 5 important steps to take after getting laid off. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest, real-world career advice. You can also drop a comment below if you have any questions or just want to share your story. We are all in this together. Stay strong, you have got this, and I'll see you in the next one.